Welcome to the J&J Auto Wrecking test video of M4CE141. This is a 2004 Chevrolet SSR. Gonna go ahead and fire it up here. Well, hold on, battery box is having some issues. Let's see what we've got going on up front here. We've got 10% battery. There we go. Let's get this thing fired up here. See if we can get the miles up. Chevrolet SSR, we know. Driver's door's ajar, we know. Come on, just get through this. 175,433 miles. We are going to be selling this 5.3 complete with the transmission as a hot rod swap. We're going to let that warm up here for just a second before we rev it. Engine cover is not included. The truck took a wild ride, but it's got a lot of good parts left on it. I see some fog lights still in the front bumper. Looks like those did make the accident. Those are worth a good amount of money. Got a nice headlight. I believe all the wheels made it, despite the center caps flying off. Got a nice loaded passenger door here. Door panel looks great on this side. We'll have a nice leather heated seat set. Looks like we might have some power functions not working on that side. Convertible top does not work, correct? No top?
Yeah, the cargo doesn't shut all the way, so it keeps shutting off.
Gotcha, yep, okay. The deck lid does not want to shut all the way. Well, that's stinky. That's probably why.
I watched this with Doug here.
Oh. Alright, let's come on. Go gadget SSR. Oh yeah, this is all jacked up. Whatever. If it fits, it ships. This side of the truck, rough as well. I mean, she took a heck of a hit, probably was in the middle of a pileup. Running boards have been spray painted. Let's test this power seat. Oh, that's just lumbar. Okay, I'm a moron. That is just lumbar. Step inside here. Testing some windows. Cargo cover ajar. Well, at least we know the roof module works. We got gallons per hour back there on the gauges. I have no idea what that's for. That's kind of cool. Let's go ahead and test out the transmission. Reverse. Drive. Burnout. What?
That's all you got?
Oh.
I expected a little more than that, but
I gotta test the windshield wipers. Transmission's good, rear end's good. The wipers work. Let's test those power mirrors out. Oh, this one's nasty, but it works. All right. Can I get a test CD? Por favor. Let's. CD player doesn't work. This is why we test things. Cluster looks good. Steering wheel has a little bit of wear on it. Dashboard is in good condition. We're going to get that all taken apart and tested, or sorry, listed for sale. Switches are very nice in the center console. You guys saw them all working. Lower gauges are working as well. Climate control has seen better days, but it works. All right. Oh, it's smoky in here. Who did that? That is going to wrap it up for M4CE141, our 2004 Chevrolet SSR. No idea what SSR stands for. Let me know in the comments down below the funniest thing you can create out of that super shitty race car. I don't know if we can say that on the YouTubes. If you guys are looking for...
As long as it's not within the first 45 seconds.
Yeah, nobody watches this far. We're 5 minutes into this video. Even the editor won't see this. If you guys are looking for any parts off of this vehicle, I'll leave a link in the description down below, www.jngautoracing.com, where you can use our live chat feature to hit up Pippi or Andrew and ask Pippi how her new seat's doing. She got herself a new office position, so make sure you guys go over to that chat and congratulate her on her, I guess, promotion? I don't know. She got a new seat. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking, guys. Check yourself before you wreck yourself. Thanks for watching.